Good evening. Jumping on this Monday evening to do my weekly live in the series of my tax free savings dividend snowball investing. This, I think, is about my fourth video on the series. And today I want to talk about why in this area I am focused on dividend paying stocks. Um, Now, I just want to highlight that there are several ways that I do invest, and so investing in the stock market is not the only way that I invest. However, within my stock market investing, the primary way that I'm growing that right now is with my tax free savings account investing and with a focus on dividend paying stocks. So, why dividend paying stocks? Why not growth stocks? And the tax-free savings account can hold other vehicles. Why not bonds? Why not private mortgages? Why not precious metals? And I think there's importance in diversification. And I just specifically for my tax-free savings investment account have chosen to focus on dividend stocks, and here's why. Number one, for dividend stocks, they're usually mature companies that are more stable and also therefore more stability that you see in their pricing. Um, Two, they not only pay those dividend and pay that dividend income regularly, but they also do appreciate in value. And so, to me, with those two ways to earn a return on your investment, it reduces your risk a bit. You have the cash payments on a regular basis coming to you, as well as the growth in the value of the share. Number two, I really like the compound effect in that, I'm getting part of the returns of the investment, and with the DRIP program, where you can directly reinvest in purchasing more stocks to get more dividends, that's really where the snowball effect comes in. So you start with a very small amount that you've invested, and you get your dividends, and you reinvest it, so it grows your investment amount, and then you get more dividends next time because you have a higher base. You reinvest that, and your snowball gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So those are the primary reasons that I choose to do and focus on dividend paying stocks. I welcome you to comment if you are investing in your tax free savings account. Do you primarily focus on dividend paying stocks? What's your strategy? I welcome the dialogue by you sharing in the comments below. If you are investing through your tax free savings account, what are your preferred vehicles and why? For me, at this stage in my life and for this part of my portfolio, I'm focused on dividend paying stocks, as I said, because they're mature, stable companies. And so the volatility you get in price is a lot less. And you're getting your return on your investment in two ways. One, with the dividend payments that are regular, and two, the growth in the value of the share. And just as a last a little side comment, I was in my last video, I talked about, I have these several stocks that I'm watching, and I was hoping for a sale. And then, Trump won the elections in the US and the market rallied. So all my stocks rose in value. And in fact, I think a few of them hit all time highs for the last 12 months. So I was asking myself now, do I want to keep waiting on the sidelines, or do I want to start maybe through a dollar cost averaging investment strategy? So I'm throwing that out to you because I think I'm still relatively new, and I welcome you, a viewer, if you're further ahead than me. What's your thought? Do you sit and wait for a particular price range, or do you start? Do you do it twofold? You have a portion that you're investing, and because the price range isn't where you're at, but you don't want to keep your money out of the market, you're investing small amounts monthly, which is dollar cost averaging, but you have a chunk that you're holding back. so that when there is an opportunity to buy at a sale, i.e., the price dips lower than average, you're able to add that extra into the market and capture more shares at a lower price. I welcome your comment about that. So there are two questions for you to comment on the video about. If you are investing in your tax-free savings account, are you pro dividend paying stocks or not? And two, when you're looking to invest, are you more of a dollar cost averaging? Are you more of I'm looking to buy at a certain range so you have alerts on the stocks that you're monitoring and you only buy at that range? Or are you doing a bit of both where you don't want to keep all your money out of the market, and so you're doing dollar cost averaging with a portion of your investment capital and another portion you're holding and waiting for those drastic dip in prices to move more into the market at a lower price. Well, it's a pleasure. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week, Monday, around the same time. Bye for now.